In this video, I'll walk through how you can call the Qudaris API to get linked orders under your Qudaris customer account. So first, I'll demonstrate how you can see it through the UI. I'll log into my customer account. And then here we'll go to our customer portal, to the orders screen, and we'll find an order that has linked orders. I know that this order here already has 2 set up. And if we go to the Associated Orders tab, we can see our 2 associated orders. Now we can get this same information by calling the Qudaris API. First, let's find the endpoint that we need. I'll go to Swagger, which will be your URL/services. And here I'll go to the Account API section. And I'll go to the Customer Order API. And here, if we scroll down, we can see a Read Linked Orders endpoint. And after we open it, we can see that it takes a order ID parameter. I already know my order ID, but if you needed to find yours, you could use one of these other endpoints, like for example list customer orders, to get your order ID. Now that we know our endpoint, I already have a script written up, and I'll just go over that really quick. So here first we're calling this API key login endpoint and this auth token endpoint using the API key that we set up in a previous video. I'll just skip over that since we covered it in that previous video. Now down here we're calling that linked orders endpoint and passing our order ID in the URL. We have our headers with accept and content type application JSON, and we're sending in our user session API key from that login endpoint response, and our CRSF token from that auth token response. And here I'm logging out the result. Let me just clear my logs real quick. And let's run this script. Now if we go over to the logs, we can see our order result, success true, and we can see our 2 linked orders with some information like organization, first name, last name, and so on. And that's about it.